Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to talk about two of the biggest crypto exchanges, KuCoin and Binance. I'm going to guide you through a comparison regarding their fees, securities and unique features. I'm so excited to do this with you, but first, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. First up, let's give you a short overview over the two crypto exchanges. Binance was founded in 2017 and has quickly risen to become the largest global cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. It offers a wide range of services, spot trading, derivatives trading, and a native blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain. They also have an NFT platform and they have the Binance card. On the other hand, we have KuCoin. KuCoin was established in the same year as Binance, also in 2017, and it's known for being the people's exchange. It shines with its super user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and also an impressive array of offered cryptocurrencies. KuCoin is particularly favored by the altcoin traders because it has a big variety of early availability coins. The first thing we are going to compare are the trading fees. On KuCoin, we are starting with trading fees of 0.1% per trade, but it can be decreased if you have a higher trading volume and if you level up. On Binance, we have also a trading fee of 0.1%, so we are pretty similar right here. And also on Binance, it can be drastically reduced if you use the BNB chain. One of the most important topics for traders is security. We want to have our assets, our tokens safe, and of course, we don't want anyone else to access it. So let's talk about security of Binance and KuCoin. Binance has implemented a wide range of security measures, including the two-factor authentication, wallet management system, and its secure asset fund for users, which is an emergency insurance fund, which means that your funds are safe. On the other hand, we have KuCoin. KuCoin also prioritizes security with encryption, multi-factor authentication, and both a hot and cold wallet system. However, it is important to note here that KuCoin experienced a very big hack in 2020, but they managed to recover the majority of the stolen funds and they have since bolstered their security measures. So next, let's check out the user interfaces. First, we are here on the KuCoin platform. You can easily log in and you can use their web browser. It's a super user-friendly interface, and even for beginners, KuCoin makes it very easy and also easy to understand. You can check everything which is important to know for you about KuCoin right here on their website. It's super easy to use, it's super easy to pay in your money, and they also have a very unique feature, the KuCoin shares, which means if you are a frequent user, you can actually get shares on KuCoin. If you want to know which markets are supported by KuCoin, you can just check out the markets right here and you will find all the small altcoins you're looking for. So KuCoin is really your place if you are looking for a very specific coin which has maybe still a small market cap and is just released. On the other hand, let's check out Binance. Binance is especially preferred with more advanced traders because of their super nice trading software. But also if you are a beginner, you will still be able to use Binance because it has a very user-friendly app and you can check out their entire coins right here. Check out if your coin or whatever you want to invest in is right here on Binance before you sign up for it. Let's go back to KuCoin. Make sure that you sign up here. You will also find the link in the description below. And of course, make sure that you follow all of their socials. You can also just scan here to join, or you can just click here and you will be able to join the KuCoin global community. For Binance, it's the same. Of course, if you sign up right here, make sure that you use our link in the description below. Also make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button to never miss any video again. If you want to be a part of the Binance community, then just follow them on their socials. Go to their Twitter, TikTok, everything you need is right here. Check it out and make your own picture. In case you are still struggling and you don't know which one you should choose, maybe the unique features can help you. As I mentioned before, both exchanges offer unique features such as the KuCoin shares, but also Binance has their own unique features including the Binance Labs, the Binance Chain, and also a Binance Academy for blockchain and crypto education. So if you are not quite sure or you're still a beginner, maybe choose Binance, go to their crypto education and educate yourself before you invest any money. Both of their platforms offer also a mobile app. I personally really enjoy trading on the mobile app. So just get your phone, check out which platform do you enjoy more. It's also a personal thing. Which one is more easy for you to use, more easy for you to understand, and then just make your choice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. Do you enjoy Binance with its vast ecosystem and deep market liquidity? Or maybe KuCoin with its super user-friendly interface and unique altcoin options? Let me know in the comments and I will see you next time. Bye guys!